Hello students. Okay, today we are going to start measures of central tendency. There are three measures: mean, median, and mode. Okay, so mean means what? Arithmetic average, which you learn in the 8th standard. Median means what? The halfway point, means middle point, and the most common answer is called as the mode. Okay, so we'll take the some examples of mean. So just for your revision. So what is your mean? Formula of mean, as you learn in your 8th standard. What is mean? Mean means sum of all observations upon bolo upon number of observations. Okay, very good. So we will find the mean of these numbers. So what is your first number? 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 30 upon how many observations are there? 5. And so therefore mean is equal to what? 80 upon 5. So mean is equal to 16. Okay. So now we'll start with the practice set. Okay. So your first question is what? Yield of soybean per acre in quintal in Mukund's field for 7 years was 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 9. Find the mean of yield per acre. Okay. So how will you find? Hello, come on. The mean is equal to what? First write the formula. Sum of all observations upon number of observations. Repeat it. Sum of all observations upon number of observations. Very good. So now sum of all of sum means what? Addition. Is no. So 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 upon number of observations are what? 7. Already it is given in your question. So number of observations 7. So do the addition of all these. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 9, 24, 27, 32, 39, 49. Okay, 49 upon 7. So do the division of this one. 7 on the 7, 7 7 the 49. Okay, so mean production of soybean is what? 7 quintals per acre. Now, dear students, this is a word sum. Okay, so whenever there is a word sum, what we will do? We have to write the answer in the complete sentence and make it a bracket. So bracket is the for what? Highlighting your answer. Okay, so now we'll take the question number 4. Are bapre, how you sub 0 0 0 5,000 7,000 3,000? It looks very difficult. But is it difficult? No. Keep all the zeros aside and do the addition of these digits. So you will get it easy to the addition is what? 1,47,000 upon 30. So we will get the answer. Now this is the method of earlier sums. Okay, I am going to give you one more method for you. So that is what? So we'll arrange in this 8th standard. You learn these things. So we'll arrange all the data in a tabular form. First column is for what? Salary. So while writing in this column, first find out the smallest number. What is smallest number? 3,000. Okay. And what is the biggest number? 9,000. So we have to arrange all these numbers: 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, and 9,000 in a column. Now we have to use the tally marks. So tally marks, while counting any number at that time, we have to put a vertical line in front of that number in a column tally marks. Okay, so 5,000 means first we draw the vertical line 5,000, then 7,000 we draw the vertical line in the column of tally marks in front of 7,000. Okay, like that. So we will do fast. Come on. 3,000, 8,000, 4,000, 4,000, 9,000. Very good. 3,000, 5,000, 5,000. Now 3,000 comes in the fifth time. So earlier we drawn the first four vertical lines. Now this fifth one. So we drawn the cross line from which is going down from left to right. It should not be crossed like this. It should be crossed from left to right downwards. Okay. So then 5,000, 5,000, 4,000, same way. Okay. So we done all the tally marks. Okay. So now this is got over. So every time when we draw the at that is mark it with the pencil. Okay. So now count this. First 3,000 means first group of 5. plus 3, what? 8. 5 plus 2, 7, 5. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now do the sum of all these workers, that is frequency. Okay. So 8 plus 7, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 4, 24 plus 27 plus 2, 29 plus 1, 30. Okay. So now here Fi Xi. Now you must have understood Fi Xi is what? Multiplication this Fi frequency and this Xi is the first column of salary. So 3000 into 8000. 8, sorry. 24,000, 4,000 into 4 sevens are 28,000, 5 fives are 25,000, 6 fours are 24,000, 7 threes are 21,000, 8 twos are 16,000 and 9 ones are 9,000. Now do the addition of all these ones. Okay. So this one, what? 1,47,000. Just now I explained you. So now we will find the mean. So mean was what? Sum of all observations upon number of observations. So take this Fixi as the sum of all observations, and some sigma Fi is what? Sum of observation. Sorry, number of observations. So 1,47,000 divided by 30, 0 cancelled. Okay. So now 3 4s are 12, balance 2, 27, 3 9s are 27, 300, 300. So mean is what? 4,900. Again, what is the find the date mean of monthly salary? So how will your answer? The mean of monthly salary is what? 4,900. Is it simple? Very good. Yes, yes, it's very simple. Right. So now the median. We'll go to the median. Median means what? The halfway point. Very good. Now for median, there is some concept behind it. So first, we'll take one example of this. Can you count these children? Hello. Count it just. Okay, chalo, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 11 children are. Okay, our 11 students are there. So we have to find out the very median, matlab center students. So which is that sixth one. So from this side also should be center, and from this side also, right and left, both sides say it should be in the center. Okay, so six students is standing in the halfway of the point of the cube. So how we found this one? Every time is it necessary to count it? No. So at that time we have to use the simple trick. What? Number of students plus 1 upon 2, because these number of students are odd numbers, odd. Okay, so if we added one more student, so it becomes a 12, and so 12 is what? Even number. Okay, so how will you find the even number? So in even number, is it possible to get only single students? No. So we will get two students. Okay, so okay, so at that time we have to do what? 6 student plus 7 student upon 2. So that will be your median. So okay, we'll start with the steps. Now, what to do when the sum is there? Now, we taken the small example of these one students for only understanding the what is the concept of median. But to calculate from the data, at that time there are three steps. First step is what? Arrange the data in either ascending or descending. Now, uh, remove that word either. Only in the ascending order will take. Okay. Then find the number of total number of observations. So there are two options. Number of observations, two options. How? Either that number observations be odd or maybe the even. Yes, sir. Okay. So if it is odd, then median is equal to what? N plus 1. N for number of observations. Okay. Plus 1 upon tooth term. Okay. So if it is in even, then we have options. Two numbers will be there, no, at the middle. So mean of n upon tooth and n plus 2 upon tooth term. Okay. So चलो हम लोग जाते हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट. ओके, so practice set 7.5, the question number 2, find the median of observations 59, 75, 68, 70, 74, 75 and 80. Okay, so first step is what? Hello, first step is what? Come on. Yes, very good. Arrange the data in what? Ascending order. So ascending order in what? Smallest number to the biggest number. What is the smallest number in these? 59, 68, 70, 74, 75, 75, 80. It is the biggest number, so it will be at the end. Okay. So then how many numbers are there? Can you count it? So total number of observation is what? 7. Now tell me 7 is odd or even? Hello? Come on, Pulu. Yes, yes. Odd, odd. Very good. 7 is odd number. Yes, you are absolutely right. Now we will find the third step is what? We have to find the exact term, which is the median. So median is what? N plus 1 upon 2, na? So our n is what? 7. 7 plus 1 upon 2. So what is 7 plus 1? 8 upon 2, the term, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So fourth term. Now fourth term, you have to find out the fourth term in this ascending order. चलो बोलो fourth term क्या है? चलो I just highlighted it. What is 59, 68, 70, fourth term 74. Okay, which is exactly at the middle. So therefore fourth term is 74, and therefore again inward median is equal to 74. Make it bracket to it so that it will be highlighted and it will be make easier to check your answer. Okay, we'll go to the next sum. Fifth sum in your exercise, fifth sum. What is that sum? In a basket, there are 10 tomatoes. The weight of each tomato in grams is as follows: 60, 70, 90, 95, 50, 65, 70, 80, 85, 95. Find the median of the weight of the tomatoes. Okay. So again, chalo bolo, come on. What is your first step? Very good. What is first step? Arrange the data in ascending order. Means smallest to biggest. Can you find the what is the smallest number? What? 50. Very good. Then 60. Then 65, 70, 70 repeated. So then 80, 85, 90, 95, 95. Okay. So all the data we have written. And just count it for your checking, cross checking that whether it is 10 or not. Okay, so then find the total number of second number step. Find the total number of observations. Chalo bolo. Total number of observations is what? 10. 10 means what? Even or odd? Yes, very good. What? Even. Okay, so even means what? We have to find the median is equal to mean of n upon 2 and n plus 2 upon 2th term. Okay, in textbook it is given n upon 2 plus 1th term. That is, if you do the cross multiplication, so you will get n plus 2 upon 2. Okay, so it is the same thing. Sure. So median is equal to what? Mean of n upon 2th term plus n plus 2 upon 2th term. चलो बोलो 10 upon 2th term and 10 plus 2 upon 2, that is 5th term and 6th term का mean निकालेंगे. So 5th term is what? 70, 6th term 80. दिख रहा है? Okay, very good. So 70 plus 80. We have to find the mean. So there are two numbers. So addition and divided by 2. That is mean. So 70 plus 80 is 150. Very good. Upon 2. What is that answer? Come on. Very good. Bolo, bolo. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are that is 75. Okay. So median weight of tomato is what? 75 grams. And a simple. Yes, very good. You are smiling. It means you are looking very easy. Very good. Chalo. So now we'll go to the third topic of this one, that is called as a mode, which is your third example. So what is mode? Means the most common answer, means most common frequency. So suppose there are these numbers are there, okay, So can you see 5, 10, 10, 15, 5, 10, 20. So which number is repeated here many times? 10 is repeated thrice. So that 10 is nothing but what are mode of this data. Okay. Chalo. So practice set 7.5. Question number 3. The marks out of 100 obtained by 7 students in mathematics examination given below. Find the mode for these marks. 99, 100, 95, 100, 160 and 90. Very good. Now what to do? Again, same thing. Ascending order of this data. Chalo. So what is the smallest number? 60, then 90, 95, 99, 100, 100 and 100. Okay. So 100 is repeated thrice. Now what is mode? Mode means the observation which is repeated maximum times. Okay. So 100 occurs maximum 3 times. Instead of this number, you can write the 3 times. So mode of this data is what? 100 marks. Mode is what? 100 marks. Understood? Okay, very good. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. Now the one more sum, that is a 12th sum. So the weights of 10 students in KG are given below: 40, 35, 42, 43, 37, 35, 37, 37, 42, 37. Again the same thing. बोलो come on क्या करेंगे? हेलो बोलो बोलो. अरे हाँ अच्छा very good. First क्या है? Ascending order. Very good. Data in ascending order. बोलो चलो smallest number to the biggest number. चलो फटाफट. So 35, 35, 37, 37, 37, 37, 40, 42, 42, 43 and 47. Now which number is repeated maximum times? Which number repeated maximum times and how many times? So 37 repeated how many times? 4 times. Okay, so we'll write the same thing. 37 occurs or repeated maximum 4 times. So come on, what will be your mode? Okay, mode of data is what? 37. Simple, eh? Very good. Good, good, good.